Is your Instagram account still logged in on another phone or device? And you want to remove it before anything suspicious happens? Don't worry. You can log out from all unwanted devices in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. From here, tap on Settings, then open Account Center. This is where Instagram manages all security and login activity for your account. Inside Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Scroll down slowly until you find the section called Where You're Logged In. Tap on it and then select your Instagram account if it asks you to choose one. Now you'll see a full list of all devices where your account is currently active, including phones, tablets, or even browsers you might have forgotten about. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If you see a device you don't recognize or no longer use, tap on it. Then simply choose LogOut. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just confirm it once more. And that's it. That device will immediately lose access to your Instagram account. If you want extra security, you can also change your password afterward, so all old sessions get removed automatically. This is a simple but very important step to keep your account safe and fully under your control.